that we have established a relationship between the users table and the profile table that we have created, we'll now make use of Postgres functions to implement database logic with Supabase. And using that, we'll be able to insert records in the newly created profiles table. To do that, the first thing that we need to do is go to database and then click on functions. After that, you need to click on create a new function, and once the UI comes up for that, we need to provide the name of the function. So here we'll be calling it as create profile for user. Schema is going to be public, and the return type we'll be selecting over here is going to be trigger. Then all we need to do is write begin and end, and within this we will be writing the insert statement. So we'll be inserting the ID of the newly created user in our profile table. So insert into public.profile, and then column name is ID. Values will have this new.id. After that, we need to return this new variable, and down below we need to enable show advanced settings and choose security definer. Function is to be executed with the privileges of the user that created it. Click on confirm now, and once this gets created successfully, we'll have it over here under database functions, and now we can call this anytime a new record is inserted in the system. In the next one, we'll see how we can make use of Supabase to subscribe to database events with Postgres triggers.